Understanding, as dumb as a post, a dive into English idioms. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, as dumb as a post. Idioms are a key part of mastering English, adding color and depth to our conversations. So, if you've ever wondered what it means to be as dumb as a post, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together. The phrase, as dumb as a post, is a simile that is used to describe someone who is very silent or uncommunicative, and sometimes, by extension, it suggests someone is perceived as lacking intelligence or understanding. It's important to note that dumb originally meant unable to speak, but over time its meaning has expanded to colloquially include notions of stupidity or foolishness. However, the phrase typically focuses more on the silence or lack of response from someone rather than directly on their intelligence. The origins of as dumb as a post are somewhat murky, but it's believed to have been used for centuries. The word dumb itself once solely referred to someone who was mute or unable to speak. A post, in this context, is just a wooden post, which, of course, cannot speak or think. The comparison to a post highlights the silent aspect of the phrase, emphasizing the lack of verbal response or intellectual engagement. Using as dumb as a post in conversation should be done with care. It's a colorful way to express frustration with someone's lack of response or engagement, but it can be perceived as rude or insulting if used inappropriately. For example, I tried to get his opinion on the matter, but he was as dumb as a post. During the meeting, she didn't contribute at all, sitting there as dumb as a post. In both cases, the phrase vividly describes someone's silence or passivity in a situation where more engagement was expected. It's worth noting that idioms like, as dumb as a post, can carry different connotations in different cultures. While it's a humorous and slightly exaggerated expression in English, directly translating it into another language or cultural context might not convey the intended meaning or could even be offensive. Always consider the cultural and situational context when using idioms, especially in diverse or international settings. Thank you for joining us today to explore the meaning and usage of as dumb as a post. Idioms like this one enrich our language, providing vibrant and expressive ways to communicate feelings and observations. We hope this video has been enlightening and encourages you to appreciate the beauty and complexity of English idioms. Don't forget to practice and see how you can incorporate them into your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.